It has to be a hot day for a volcano to erupt about 30 degrees, 20 or maybe more.
Volcanoes were searched by scientists.
There are volcanoes in Philippines.
Volcanoes can have gentle or very violent eruptions.
The most active volcano is in Hawaii and is called Mount Kilauea.
There is the earth's core that heats the stone to make molten lava.
Volcanoes at present.
Some volcanoes are on the ocean floor. Volcanoes are often cone-shaped, but they can take other shapes too. There are 3 different levels of eruption. There are 3 different types of volcanoes.
The temperature of lava is between 800 and 1,200 degrees.
This is all we know about volcanoes, but we will learn more this year.